Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are here in Zagreb, connecting flight going to Brussels. Guys, diverted kami sa Brussels kasi naiwan kami papunta ng London. So, from Zagreb to Brussels, then Brussels to London kami ngayon guys. Check-in na kami. Guys, nakapag dumaan na kami sa X-ray ngayon, ganun pa rin. I-back up ko kayo sa aming diversion. Naiwan kami ng aming plane going to Zagreb to London ng 14:45. Kasi na-late kami ng 30 minutes sa Dubrovnik going to Zagreb. Ngayon ang Croatian Airlines nagbigay na ibinu kami from 17:10 to Zagreb to Brussels, then Brussels to London Heathrow. Nagbigay sila din ng voucher na I think tig 10 euros kami. Yun, kaya maaga pa kami ngayon. So kakain muna kami dito. Pero meron na kaming ticket, boarding pass going to Brussels airport. So yun, ganun guys. Ito ang laki din ng airport dito sa Zagreb. At saka ang ganda ng structure, oh. Yan. So ang magiging eroplano namin ay from Zagreb to Brussels is Croatian Airlines, pero Brussels Airlines naman ang papuntang Brussels to London Heathrow. So yun guys, ito yan. Medyo hinapon na kami, so gabi na kami makakauwi, pero okay lang. London naman is London. Madami namang underground train pabahay, and then ang bus naman namin papunta sa bahay from London Heathrow to Central London. Underground train kami, yun naman hanggang gabi pa rin. Pero yung bus from going to our house is 24 hours bus naman yun, kaya wala kami problema. So guys, ganun ang update sa nangyari. Kaya learn a lesson, in a good lesson. Kung hindi ka rin nagmamadali ay kailangan yung interval talaga ng connecting ay for me is more than one and a half hour. At least yun pinaka minimum na to 2 hours. Kasi ang aming gap lang ay 40 minutes lang. Can you imagine? Pero alam nila yun. Sana ang Croatian Airlines ay palitan nila yung flight na gano'n, na hindi dapat 40 minutes lang ang connection time from Dubrovnik to Zagreb. Okay? Guys, nag-lunch muna kami dito. Yung voucher at complimentary ng Croatian Airline na ticket. Binili namin ng lunch dito sa I don't know kung anong pangalan nitong grill restaurant na to. Update sa inyo guys, ang alis namin ay 17:40 here in Zagreb going to Brussels Airport. Then mag-upunay kami sa Brussels Airport going to London Heathrow ng 20:45. So siguro may enough time kami, siguro mga less than 55 minutes I think ang aming, o 1 hour o something ganon ang aming dating dito. Kakain muna kami ngayon. Ito yung aming ticket. Gutom na kaya mangyari ay may pahinga pa. So dadating kami ng 20:45. Good things happen na hindi na kami magagastusan kasi ang Croatian Airlines kung mag-overnight pa kami dito. So yun, gabi na nga lang kami makakauwi. So guys, after na kumain kami dito, mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo dito sa loob ng airport, sa Zagreb International Airport. Magaganda rin ang mga duty free here, kaya medyo tingin-tingin muna tayo habang naghihintay tayo ng flight. Madami rin mabibilhan dito. In this situation, hindi masyadong peak season ang mga turista, kaya mapapansin ninyo parang halos walang tao na lumilipad, o meron naman pero hindi halos katulad ng mga busiest airport sa ibang bansa sa Europe, lalo na sa London, Heathrow, na super dami ng tao at umaalis ng mga pasahero at turistang bumabalik at umaalis ng bansa. So, yan guys. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo guys. I hope nasamahan ninyo kami hanggang dulo sa nangyari sa amin dito sa aming flight na ito, which is hindi naman namin inaasahan na magkakaganon. Kaya nagkataong binigyan pa kami ng extra time para makapunta sa Brussels. Yun nga lang, sa Brussels Airport nga lamang. Medyo hindi rin kami magtatagal sa Brussels doon dahil kalkula ko ay more than 1.5 hour lang ang aming connecting flight doon. So alam na magiging plane to airport na agad kami and straight to boarding gate na agad kami. So enjoy watching guys dito sa mga duty frees. Maganda rin ang kanilang airport dito sa Zagreb. Ito namang section guys na to ay para sa mga prime class lounge, para sa mga business class passenger. So this is it guys. We saying goodbye to Zagreb International Airport. We're going to gate 10 and we are starting to moving ahead for our departure. And I think magbabas sa service tayo going to terminal to catch up the airplane sa tarmac area. Dito tayo sasakay. Yan, tato sa'yo. Tingnan naman. Layo din nun ito. Mas maliwas sa pitong palang isa. Dalawahan. Iwasan namin Toro-Toro ito. Sinakyan ng Toro-Toro. Hindi ito kuha katulad ng sinakyan. Labi. Oo naman.
Emergency exits are identified by the word exit. The floor lighting system directs you to these exits. Pojas se veže i odvezuje na ovaj način.
Vlada Noveću i Rađa i moraju dalje biti sigurno postre. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Brussels. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and do not open the overhead compartment until the seatbelt fan has been switched off. Smoking is still not permitted. Use of electronic devices is now allowed without flight mode, but larger devices must remain securely stowed. Please make sure to take all your belongings with you when you leave the plane. Thank you for flying Croatia Airlines, Summer Star Alliance, and we hope to see you again on our flight. We wish you a pleasant rest of the evening, and goodbye.
Hello guys, magko-connect na ngayon kami sa narito na kami sa Brussels Airport. Punta kami ng gate BO6. Ting kami sa dito, Brussels going to Heathrow Terminal 2. So ang gate namin ay BO6. Hopefully makatch up na, maaga pa naman. May 45 minutes pa kami. Ang laki din pala ng Brussels airport na to. Daming tao. Tayo naman ang biyano. May Dunkin Donut oh. Layo ng B connection. Oo. Yan ako ano. Malapit na ba? Here we go guys, BO6. We are here now. London Heathrow, SN 2105 153.
Back. Place it over your head. Tighten the strap around your waist. Keep the strap into the center button in front and pull it firmly.
a full relieving, guys, for all the chaos of long journey from us going back to London. It's a beautiful scenery during the night, guys. It's so peaceful and very warming to look at it down on the land. We are nearly going back to London, and yeah, finally we made it. It's an unforgettable experience for our delayed flights from Dubrovnik to Zagreb, and then we are redirected to connecting to Zagreb to Brussels, and now we are flying back to from Brussels to London.
Terminal 2, it is now 9 p.m. local time. Outside temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. Please may see that the keep your seatbelt fastened tight around your waist until we switch off the fasten seatbelt time. The laptops and audio devices must remain still and be careful when opening overclocker items could fall out. And if you received an event like this and signal prior to our departure, please leave them on your seat as you disembark. We thank you for flying Brussels Airlines as Star Alliance member. We look forward to welcome you on board again soon. On behalf of the entire crew, we wish you a pleasant evening. Thank you and goodbye. We ben hier momenteel weer. Het is nu 8:15 Brabantse tijd. De temperatuur is 7 graden. We danken uw vertrouwen in Brussels Airlines, Swiss Airlines. Wij kunnen u niet welkom aan boord. Namens de ganse bemanning wensen wij nog een fijne avond toe. Hartelijk dank en tot ziens. Et bienvenue à Londres, terminal 2. Il est actuellement 9h-15 local, température extérieure de 7 degrés. Merci d'avoir choisi Brussels Airlines en Brussels Airlines. Nous espérons vous voir à bord prochainement. Au nom de tout l'équipage, nous souhaitons une bonne soirée. Merci et au plaisir de vous voir.
So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys, at maraming salamat. Until next one, guys. See you.